O dito, pahiya dito si Marcoleta, ha? Pahiya siya dito. Kasi yung independent commission or independent body na actually ang nagpropose niyan si Tito Soto, sinang-ayunan ng maraming senador at maraming grupo. At ayaw ni Marcoleta. Sabi ni Marcoleta, kami lang sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, kami dapat ang mag-imbestiga. Wala nang iba. Tinuloy ni PBBM, magbubuo talaga ng independent commission. O paano na yan, Marcolet?
Sir, paano po mangyayari dun sa independent commission?
Yes, we are putting together the EO that will create the independent commission. The independent commission will be the investigative arm, so that they will continue to investigate whatever information is received. It will be sent to them. They will investigate it, and they will make recommendations.